Today we are going to talk about something that's creating a lot of buzz and honestly a bit of fear across industries. Will AI take away your job? Whether you work in cloud, data science, software development, or any tech related field, this question probably crosses your mind. AI has been evolving at lightning speed, and the headlines make it sound like robots are coming for all our jobs tomorrow. But is it really that simple? Or is there more beneath the surface? Let's break this down together. What AI can and cannot do, which jobs might be impacted, where new opportunities are growing, and how you can future proof your career. But before we dive in, I'm excited to invite you to our free webinar on cracking more than $250,000 jobs in AI, ML, and generative AI. In this session, we'll walk you through a proven 3-step framework that has helped so many professionals like Mark, Shrija, and Raju secure high-paying roles in the AI ML field. So don't miss this opportunity to learn the exact strategies that can transform your career. Register now using the link in the description below. So now let's get started. I totally get why this is on your mind. AI tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and countless automation platforms are producing human-like text, art, and even code. This is unlike anything we have seen before. It's natural to feel uncertain when the tools that assist or even replace some tasks are advancing so fast. The worry is especially real for people whose works include repetitive or structured tasks. Maybe you're a junior developer doing routine coding, a data analyst spending hours cleaning data, or a cloud engineer managing standard infrastructure deployments. You might be thinking, if AI can do my tasks faster and cheaper, what will be left for me? That's the fear that many professionals have right now, and it's valid to feel it. But the reality is more layered. AI is growing in two major directions, automation and augmentation. Automation means AI takes over specific tasks without human intervention. And augmentation means AI assists humans, letting them do their jobs better and faster. For example, in data science, AI tools can automate tedious data pre-processing, like cleaning messy data sets or detecting outliers, tasks that once took days. This means data scientists can spend more time interpreting data trends and building models, rather than scrubbing data. So in cloud computing, AI-driven monitoring tools predict failures and automatically spin up new resources, reducing downtime and manual effort. Engineers no longer need to watch dashboards 24/7. AI alerts them only when action is needed. And generative AI can help developers by writing code snippets or creating documentation, speeding up the software development lifecycle. But did you notice something? AI rarely replaces the entire job. Instead, it changes the workflow, making professionals more efficient. So the goal for many companies is to combine human creativity and strategic thinking with AI speed and scale. That said, some jobs and tasks are definitely more vulnerable. Roles heavily based on repetitive, rule-based tasks face the biggest risk. This includes data entry clerks, basic customer service agents answering predictable questions, and some manual QA testers. Even certain junior coding roles where writing boilerplate or routine code is common may see automation. However, complex roles requiring judgment, creativity, leadership, or interpersonal skills are far less likely to be fully automated anytime soon. So consider product managers, cloud architects, or AI ethicists. Their jobs require negotiation, prioritization, understanding customer needs, and ethics, all areas where AI still struggles. So the key takeaway is, it's often not the job itself that's replaced, but certain tasks within that job. So now here's the exciting part. AI doesn't just take jobs, it creates entirely new roles and opportunities. There's booming demand for AI specialists, from data scientists and machine learning engineers to AI operations or AI ops, and cloud engineers who can build scalable AI systems. Companies are also hiring AI ethicists and policy experts to guide responsible AI usage. Now, beyond these roles, AI is enabling new products and business models. For example, startups building AI-powered personalized marketing tools or AI-driven healthcare diagnostics. So for you as a tech professional, this means if you reskill and position yourself right, there's tremendous potential to grow your career in AI-related fields. Even roles adjacent to your current expertise may evolve. A software developer might become a prompt engineer, or a cloud engineer could focus on AI infrastructure optimization. So what steps can you take to make sure your career stays strong in AI-powered world? Number 1, commit to lifelong learning. Technology never stops changing. Staying updated on AI, machine learning, cloud automation, and data engineering through certifications, workshops, or online courses will keep you competitive. For example, learning how to build and deploy machine learning models on cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud opens new doors. Number 2, develop soft skills that AI can't replace. Creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, leadership. These human skills remain irreplaceable. Working on communication and collaboration can elevate your professional value. Number 3, embrace AI tools. Rather than avoiding AI, learn to use it as a productivity booster. For instance, use AI-assisted coding platforms, automated data analysis tools, or AI-driven cloud monitoring. This not only makes your work more efficient, but also positions you as someone who understands and leverages cutting-edge technologies. Number 4, be adaptable. The future workplace is dynamic. Be open to shifting your role or learning new tech stacks. Flexibility can help you pivot to emerging roles. And number 5, build a portfolio of AI-enhanced projects. Show employers that you know how to work alongside AI. Build projects integrating AI models, cloud automation, or data pipelines to demonstrate real-world skills. So to sum up, AI will transform the job market, but it's not a job apocalypse. Some jobs and tasks will be automated, yes, but AI also creates brand new opportunities for those ready to learn and adapt. So now the real question is, will you work with AI or be replaced by it? The future belongs to people who harness AI as a powerful tool, combining human insight with machine speed. And for this reason, as mentioned earlier, be sure to join our free masterclass where we'll guide you to secure an AI-proof career using a proven 3-step framework. So register now through the link given in the description below. And if you like this video, make sure that you watch this video where we have covered generative AI roadmap. So thanks for watching.